Jumia, Africa's leading e-commerce platform, has partnered with Algerian finance provider Dayard Zaire to launch buy now, pay later (BNPL) services in Algeria. This strategic collaboration aims to make online shopping more accessible and convenient for Algerian consumers, offering them the flexibility to split their payments and encouraging greater use of digital financial services. The integration of BNPL capabilities into the Jumia shopping experience will empower Algerian consumers to shop for what they need, when they need it, without the immediate financial burden of full upfront payments. This move is expected to fuel continued growth for Jumia in the region, unlocking new opportunities to meet the evolving needs of consumers while reinforcing the platform's commitment to innovation, affordability, and convenience. Lise Paul Mollard, CEO of Jumia Algeria, said, "This partnership with Dayard Zaire marks a significant step forward in our ongoing efforts to create a more inclusive e-commerce environment. By offering installment-based payment options, we are empowering our customers to shop smarter and more flexibly. It's also a step toward fostering a more digital and financially inclusive economy in Algeria." The launch of BNPL services in Algeria is part of Jumia's broader push to reshape how Africans shop online, offering more control, trust, and purchasing freedom in the digital age. With BNPL emerging as a key trend across global e-commerce markets, Jumia's latest rollout is expected to have a positive impact on the region's digital economy. Jumia states their mission is to improve the quality of everyday life in Africa by leveraging technology to deliver innovative, convenient, and affordable online services to customers, while helping businesses grow as they use Jumia's platform to better reach and serve customers. The company's platform consists of a marketplace, logistics network, and proprietary payment service, Jumia Pay, which facilitates transactions among participants active on the Jumia platform in select markets. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.